All right, we got two more songs for you. This next one's from the show that you're going to see. Life is a great adventure, and you only get to do it once, so make use of it. That's the story of the show. So here is Great Adventure from Kimberly and Kimbo.
You are by my side.
At last, a great adventure. Don't know where the road will bend and we're gonna reach the end. So
Just enjoy the ride, because no one gets a second time around.
sadly,
No one gets a second time around. We're sailing to a distant shore. Shore with no catch and breeze or encounter stormy seas, but you will be my crew. We are sailing to a new world. Switch away from riverboats, just enjoy the view. Because no one gets a second time around. Day is dying. We're heading for the setting sun. We're crying because we're almost done. Time's flying. It's been a lovely run and so fun, so fun. What a great adventure! Didn't know the paths we take, the sights we see, the friends we make with you, my partner in crime. This great adventure. You never know, and nor do I, when we will have to say goodbye. So just enjoy the time, because no one gets a second time.